Willie, this is my castle. Oh, perfect, Mikey. Build another one, and I will make a tunnel. Oh, look, little ones. Let's have fun, friends.
Oh, yeah, let's have fun.
Hey, you, baby boys, come here. Huh? Oh, don't pay attention, Mikey. They are bullies from school.
Are you scared, girls?
Huh? I'm not scared. I'm coming. Mikey, no, stop.
Hey, Truck, I will kick you right now. Scared?
No.
Do you have candies?
No.
So show us.
Mikey, let's go.
You won't show us because you are a liar.
I'm not liar. Look.
Oh, candy. How many candies do you have here?
I don't have candies anymore.
And do you have candies at home?
Mikey, let's go before it's too late.
If I had candies at home, I would steal it for my friends. Yeah, dude, you're awesome.
So cool.
And what about you, little truck? Or little chicken?
I'm not chicken. I will bring you candies. Mikey, stop.
Dummies.
Mikey, what are you doing? Stop. They are laughing at you. Get out of my way, Willie. I know what I'm doing. Oh, I wish. Oh, the kettle had already boiled. Oh, I will take the candies when nobody's looking. Oh, Mikey, will you give all candies to that cars? They will laugh at you. No, they become my friends because I'm brave and cool. Oh my God, Mikey needs our help. I need to find my friends. Here you go, friends. Thank you.
You will no longer be friends with that little cars. You will be our friend.
Yes, you will be our friend. Awesome.
And now, let's go. We have challenge for you.
Challenge? Okay. My back hurts so.
See, these old ladies, you have to blast them with water gun.
But for what?
Oh, you scared, little girl? It will be your challenge.
I'm not scared. Give me the gun.
Don't chicken out, truck.
They asked me to do this because they're hot. Oh, they asked you. Okay, I will do it. Oh my God! Stop! What are you doing?
Do you see their faces? What a dummy truck. Step aside, kids.
Oh no, police! We have to get out of here.
Drop the gun, kid. You're under arrest.
No, police officer. They asked me to do this. No, that's a lie.
Come with me, kid. I will take you to the police station.
No. Police officer, my friends asked me to do this.
Oh, I don't see any friends here.
Oh.
Hello, Mrs. Truck. I found your son shooting from water gun at old ladies.
Oh my God! Mikey! Go to your room, young man. You are punished. But Mom...
For the first time, it's only warning, Mrs. Truck. But the next time, I will take him to the police station.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Officer.
Have a nice day.
Where is Mikey? What? Go away, kids. We don't know any Mikeys. Oh no, psh. We're too late. Something happened. Let's go to Mikey's house, Willie. Great idea, psh. I'm sorry, kids, But Mikey won't go to the festival today. He's punished. My son was shooting at old ladies with water gun. Oh my God! Huh? That day was a great festival, but Willie and Psh weren't there. Hey Mikey, we brought you candies. Here you go, friend. Oh, thank you guys. You are my best friends ever.
No more Mikey Little Truck. Since now, I'm Mikey Big Arrow. Woohoo! Oops, that's pretty difficult. I should practice more, and I'll be fine. Yeah, for sure. I'm tired now, but my arrow is so big. Hey, I got an idea. With this long hand, I can get everything I want. Hey guys, look at me. I'm so cool now. Apples? Oh, it's so high. Haha, not a problem anymore. Here we go. You're welcome, Mikey. Apples are boring. What else can I get? Oh, open windows.
Huh? Did you see that?
Bingo! Sausages! Oh, a cat? Come on, come here. Hey, kitty, kitty. Okay, now I'm boring again. It's time to get out of here. Oh, hi guys.
Hi, Mike.
Oh, what happened to you?
Now I got superpower to lift everything I want.
Oh yeah? So maybe you should try?
Okay, I can lift up this rock, for example. Yeah, I'm cool.
Wow, that was great.
What
Mikey.
else can you lift?
Everything. I told you.
How about this way?
So watch, guys.
Wow, he's really cool.
Oh yeah, yes.
And this tree.
Wow, cool.
Come on, Mikey.
And this ducks.
Yeah, that's right.
Cool.
And the wall bricks.
Come on, come on.
Yeah, he's really great.
Oh gosh, I got a power. I can lift up even this house.
Oh, Mikey,
Don't
don't
do
stop.
that.
Uh-oh.
Attention, please. Attention, please. We got a call. The thief is trying to get into the house.
Okay, guys, I gotta go.
Stow him.
Woo, that was close. Hey, I gotta find my friends. Hello, mister. Would you please ride me on your arrow? Okay, come on, boy. Hold on, friend. Oh. That's so cool. Woo. Would you please do the same with me? Oh, yeah, sure. Catch the rope. Yay! It's so much fun!
And what about me? Would you please ride
Same
me,
to me.
please? I
Once
want to
again,
try.
once
I
more.
want to try.
All right, guys. Jump onto the plate. Okay. It's so much fun! I'm so high above the ground! I'm so scared! Put me down, Hold on, guys! You'll be
Hey,
fine!
what's that noise? What is going on here?
Put the babies to the ground. It's so dangerous. You'd better work all day long.
Working cars should
And
be able to
you're
build it
wasting
now.
your time instead.
But, guys, I'm not working car. I'm Mikey. I'm truck.
What are you talking about, son? You got a big arrow. Come on, you should work.
Hey.
That's your working place.
You should work here all day long.
Don't even try to escape.
What? Oh.
Oh, hi, friend. Good to see ya. Would you please lift up these bricks?
Yeah, sure. And
less plates.
Okay, alright.
You portion for my friend.
Okay. Oh, that's so hot.
Okay, new guy. The day's over. You're free now.
Oh, finally. Hey, how about my friends? Guys, where are you? Oh no!